obowura ha me bono ma ya chematum me obowura ha me onacho me had so no antimi mabi ba ono obowura ha asema God me bono ma ya chematum ya medu kan ye no what kisia jabin se onti asema matia medu aka se oja 160 million ema no ne what disika ni nyina na kisia jabin ebeye Ghana fo nwanwa se kisia jabin travel expenses any per diem no or did send the president of the country kisia jabin ne travel expenses any allowances emu per diem nyina no o tu kwanya or detain the president of the land kisia jabin starting from Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo pension ebesi nei kisia jabin tu kwanya ne travel expenses first class papa bi travel expenses ba ko ono nko ano or $250,000 kisia jabin tu kwanya travel allowances nko ano ene mu per diem no office no etua $250,000 and na nwumrei me de kisia jabin say o se me boa say o tu kwanya ono nko ano as a head of the office no say only $250,000 for travel expenses and per diem from 2021 from 2020 ebesi nei akwantu a watu nyina no o ma Ghana fo hu se kisia jabin etimi di details se kisia jabin na ne travel allowances any per diem anya di free $200,000 kwa free mra obeye prosecutor se kisia jabin so obeye prosecutor budget ya yede mano no a move 55% there odini nyina to kwan e masika ne san oti bibisa nsi ya on fan audit report mra eno ye one on finish it from 2020 ebesi 2025 akwantu akisia jabin watu nyina no on finish Ghana for any the amount involved send no money to ya send an office in to on finish here na so finish here na say the me kan enye sa na e woman me Krosu station no
continue
man Krosu a me be cancel ma obi anti
hey on continue
on correspond to Matia Midu so asem no say was conduct 60 million Ghana series on correspondent. Me me ma atwefo the new picture. Ekoso at the office of Omansika. Ye budget mo obi ma on dey tenase say me di scanning nyina betu kwan. Ekwana me fa so anya scanner dini say. E dey say me di scanner ye den enyina etu kwan. Enti baabia kisi ajaben enya ne sika eya kwantuo because kisi ajaben won tra kroma o wadi Ghana achepa fiti mira ye appointing no as a special prosecutor wache Ghana ha 2 weeks kisi ajaben mo be hu ni se kisi ajaben abagana bia no na obeye press conference atia oforata ana obeye press conference atia sisiri abnanda pa asa me see kisia jabin okwa emra no mu a office of the special prosecutor atna obe prosecute corruption related cases ba ono dia ba nyen no oyo fiti say o assuming office kisi ajabin assuming office 2020 to 2025 nie 5 years nie me boa adia oya ne say government budget ya yede ma no or prosecute budget no wɔ no bottom. Nti ho no so obi prosecute government budget wɔ no bottom a kyerɛ sɛ wonya ne nkyɛ no.
Continue.
Yes, on sika no and fighting against corruption. And on in sika no and fighting one no bottom into one nebehu. Ora mo amo misao. Matia midu 2 weeks ago. Aba ka tren say kisia jabin say de yesika die no e doso. Krono no doso na me kra me kono. Me jau 60 million Ghana cedis quantity scano 600 billion. Nyamana meka matia me do say kisia jabin ye. Nka wo de anoma kra twete a ubeyi ano kisia jabin. Anoma kra twete a ubeyi ano. 2 weeks ago on the 3rd of June this month ya Matiami do say, oh, coffee no, Ojawo 60 million Ghana cedis, Titiskano 600 billion. Oba a word discanning, squandered, or you should the word squandered. Evidence show, report on another honor. Evidence show, you can't hear the Atlantis diaba, Matiami do, or squandered. I say OSP squandered 60 million I refuse to spend. And that hono. Matiambido accuses Kisi Ajabin of physical irresponsibility. Physical irresponsibility. And I kanka you know. Insert say obe ensure physical responsibility no. Or no ensure say physical irresponsibility because hey Chroma who watches the watchman asem no kokko wie say who watches the watchman kisia jabena yeso metu proye ne katasihye ase no ono mom ene make sure say physical irresponsibility because and I made can say, ya dene ba say, or me prosecute corrupt related cases. But and what man or baba you say there or prosecute government budget in his pocket. Na government budget ebe di kisia jabin ho ni bottom na kisia jabin na prosecute government budget no e won bottom a corruption be no otu ase dientia wa mayi matia medu ano no say matia medu wo all the details kwana kisia jabin e fa so di 60 million no otu kwan a the office of the special prosecutor se kisia jabin be di Ghana fo muntia ni yo na ye munti eno hia TV ha na anwumre kaya metna ha.
Continue.
Kaya metna.
Continue.
Namom who watches the watchman. And then ye share fryer no na obia be in bossome sa kwane de obowura officer amanfo officer basab obowura ha mebono ma yatematum me obowura ha me onaso me ha de so no antimi mabi ba ono obowura ha asema God mebono ma yatematum.
Continue.
Atimi ma ha me obowura ha. Oh, and they are growing a woody. And they are going to have your team. Oba had ya what trouble that. And yes, Yaba before they are fine. But me had your bowra, mabu po.
Continue.
Baby, oh, bowra, quantity or more wires and no nay. SML, Honum now, Kowra, quarter to. Me had your bowra, mabu po.
Hey,
I'm Kobabia.
are you serious?
Timoa ya kisia jabende entere na otoache nipa so mona musuro no we metima bono de entoma afana chemachi uda mane momura